Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change notification sound in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and click on notification. Again scroll down. Here you can see default notification sound. Press on this. From here you can choose your notification sound. That's it. So this is how to change notification sound in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.